Hi everybody, this is Katerina, and today I'm going to show you a brand new way that you can be paid with Skool even if you don't have a paid account. This is Max and this is James, and they've come up with a way to get you paid when you promote their community. So Skool has a affiliate program if you want to promote Skool, but otherwise you have to get a paid account to be able to have your own school and make money. Well, these two have found a workaround that lets you get paid when you promote their community. It's like having their own affiliate program within Skool by having a little workaround. And it actually works because within the first 24 hours, maybe even less than that, I made my first commission. And I made it while I was sleeping. I did a tiny bit of work, did what they told me to do, went to sleep, and when I woke up, I had a commission in my account. So I was pretty happy with that. Anyway, if you're looking for new ways to make money with Skool, check out Skoolify. The link is in my description. I hope you have a great day. Bye.